Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my YouTuber. Uh, اسمي أستاذ Yusuf. Today I am going to work out with you the first of my series, your A-level savior with Ustad Yusuf. Today I'm going to teach you one of the A-level topic, factorial, and binomial expansion. Okay, this is very topic a lot of students they find some difficult. What's the meaning of factorial? If you look to your computer, you will see this sign. This is the meaning of factorial. You can say find it in your keyboard. You can find it in your calculator. If I say 3 factorial, that means 3 times 2 times 1. If I say 20 factorial, it means 20 times 19 times 18 times blah 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 up to 3 times 2 times 1. That's how we work the factorial. It's been for a while because to avoid astronomical numbers, so they used to work out this factorial. How this factorial? Okay. Now, as a rule, we'll say n factorial equal n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times blah 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 up to times 3 times 2 times 1. This here is the rule you should be understanding, yeah. This here and this here, yeah. This is the rule, yeah. This is the rule of the factorial. Okay. Now there is something I need to keep on repeating. 0 factorials equal 1. 0 factorial equals 1. 0 factorials equals 1. A lot of students they do mistakes, so I have to repeat 0 factorials equal 1. Try in your calculator, write 0 and make factorial, and it will be always 1. Okay, now let's have something notation. What is the notation? We have a notation n r. N is a number and r is a number. Okay, so if we have n equal for example 10 and r equals 7, so it will be 10 factorial divided by 7 factorial times 10 minus 7 factorial. Yeah, that's how it works. We work out 10 factorials. 10 factorials will be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorials, yeah, divided by 7 factorials times 10 minus 7 is 3 factorial. Okay, by this way we can say 7 factorials will cancel 7 factorials, yeah. So what's left here? 10 times 9 times 8 divided by 3 factorial, that will be 10 times 9 times 8 divided by what? 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1, that means 6. If we here divide it by 3, it will give us 3. If we divide by 2, give us 1, and this will be 4. 3 times 4, 12 times 10, the answer will be 120. This will be very, very easy. You don't need to use calculator every single time. Just try to train your memory with numbers, yeah? So from here, what we can say is that NR, this is the notation, is equal N factorial divided by R factorial times N minus R factorial. If you see something like that, straight away, and this notation is a rule, automatically you can use it. You need to memorize it, yeah, and it will work out every single time. Okay, let's have another example. Yeah, okay. What about if we have here instead we'll have, for example, 9 6, yeah, 9, the notation 9 6. So this will be 9 factorial over 6 factorial times 9 minus 6 factorial, and this will be equals 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 9, take away 6, it will be 3 factorial. Okay, from here, easy, 6 cancel 6. What's left here? 9 times 8 times 7, 9 times 8 times 7 divided by 3 factorial, 3 times 2 times 1. If you cancel 3 with 3, here is 1 and here is 3. If you cancel these 2, 1, simplify, it will be here 4, and here it will be 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 7, it will be 84. The answer is what? 84. Okay, this is what how we work it out. Yeah. Okay. Let us move to something we call it very easy to understand. If we Pascal, we call it what? Pascal. Pascal was a French mathematician. We call it Pascal's triangle. Okay, Pascal's triangle, yeah. If we know that anything to the power of 0 from the indices is equal 1. For example, A to the power of 0 equal 1, B to the power of 0 equal 1, 9 to the power of 0 equal 1, million to the power of 0 equal 1. So, okay, if I have A plus B to the power of 0, the answer is 1. But A plus B to the power of 1 is equal A plus B. So let us agree about this, okay? What Pascal said here, he said if you put a counter, here it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, here will be A plus B to the power of 0, so it will be here, it will be 1. Yeah, anything to the power of 0, it will be 1. So the coefficient of A, the coefficient of B, all will be 1. Now what about if A plus B to the power of 1? That's equal A plus B. So the coefficient of A is 1, coefficient of B is 1. So we'll put 1, 1. Okay? So it will be 1, 1. Okay? Now, what about if A plus B square? So it will be A square plus 2AB plus B square. So the coefficient of A square is 1. The coefficient of B square is 1. This one here. But what about that one in the middle? First time second time 2 is 2AB, so the coefficient is 2. And if you realize here, 1 plus 1 equal what? 2. Yeah? Now here, if we say A plus B cube, so this one, we put 1 here for the pyramid and 1 here for the pyramid. 2 add 1 equal 3. 1 add 2 equal 3. So from here it will be that's equal A cube plus 3 A square B plus 3 A B square plus B cube. Yeah, this one coefficient of A cube, this one coefficient of B cube, and this one 3 A B square A square B, and this one coefficient of A of B square A B square. Okay? Okay, if we carry on like this, what one put the coefficient, we keep going here. This is number 4. We put 1 here and we put 1 here. 1 at 3 is 4. 3 at 3 is 6, and 3 at 1 is 4. We put 1 here and 1 here as well. 1 at 4 is 5. 4 at 6 is 10. 6 at 4 is 10, and it work out like this. Did I put, no, it will be, sorry, is 10, and 4 add 1 is 5. So this one here it will be A plus B to the power 4. So here it will be A to the power 4, 5 A cube B, and 10 A square B square, 10 A B cube, and 10 A to the power A square B square, and 5 A B cube, and here 1 B to the power 4. If I'm going to write it, it will be A to the power 4 plus 5 A cube B plus 10 A square B square plus 10 A square B square plus 5 A B cube plus B to the power 4. That's how it works, how we calculate it, yeah? Now, if you want to understand, stop the video and do it again. Okay, if I want to do to the power 5, what I'm going to do, that one here, A plus B to the power 5. A plus B to the power 6, it will be 1, 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 10 plus 5, 15, 10 plus 10, 20, 5 plus 10, 15, 1 plus 5, it will be 6, it will be A to the power 6, and here 6a to the power 5b, 15a to the power 4b square, and here is 20a cube b cube, and here 15 a square b to the power 4, and here 6a b to the power 5, and here b to the power 6. The last one, put one here and one here, and that will be 7. 6 as 15, 21, and 15 plus 20 is 35. 15 plus 20 is 35, and 15, 6, 21, 6 and 1, 7, and we have here that will be a plus b to the power 7. So it will be a to the power 7, 7, a to the power 6b, 21, a to the power 5b squared, 35, a to the power 4 and b cube, 35 a cube and b to the power 4, 21 a square b to the power 5, 7 a b to the power 6 and b to the power 7. This is how it works. This is how we do Pascal triangle. Yeah. Okay. Now let's work out a new equation to apply Pascal triangle. Yeah. For example, write down if we have equations to work it out. Work it example like 2 plus q to the power 4. Yeah, how we gonna work this? Yeah, we'll say 1, 1, 1, that is 0, that's 1, and here 2, 1, 1, and here 3, and here 3, 1, 1, this is to power 2, power 3, and this is to the power 4, it will be 1, 1, 3 add 1, 4, 3 add 3, 6, and 1 add 3 is 4, okay? So it will be here, the answer 2 to the power 4 plus 4 time 2 to the power 3 and time q plus 6 time 2 square q square plus 4 time 2 time q cube plus q to the power 4. This is this is plus. This is plus. We work it out. 2 to the power 4 is 16, and here 2 cube is 8. 8 times 4 is 32 cube, and here plus 2 square is 4. 4 times 6 is 24 cube square plus 2 times 4 8 cube plus q to the power 4. So this is a straightforward application of how to work out factorial and binomial expansion. This is the end of our session. We'll carry on another one. Let me know from where are you following my session, and give me feedback about the pace. Is it faster or is it slower? And what kind of questions would you prefer, exam question, and then we can work together. Thank you very much for your catching, and I'm looking forward to see you next time.